Talk about the weather all day. Spend some time alone.